Today we're going to make homemade slime. You need warm water, borax, lotion, shaving cream, and glitter glue. If you don't have glitter glue, you can just use normal glue and food coloring. First thing we need to do is warm up some water. Now that the water is done warming up, let's go make the activator. First, I need to put a cup of hot water in and a tablespoon of borax. Okay, now that that is done, I will set it aside for right now. Now I'm gonna make a blue glitter slime. First I'm gonna put this blue glitter glue in the bucket. Next I'm gonna add about 15 to 20 squirts of lotion to thin it out. 20. Then I'm going to add some shaving cream. The lotion and shaving cream thinned out the color, so I'm going to spike it with some blue food coloring. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of our hot water borax mixture, and it already cooled off. So just going to couple tablespoons of this. I might need 1 more tablespoon. I have just added 1 more tablespoon of our activator, and I'm just going to finish it up with my hands. Check out how sparkly it is from all the glitter glue. So, little sparkles. I'm gonna make a batch of red too.
And green.
We got some orange here. Ten squirts of lotion. And some shaving cream.
One. Two.
Blah 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 blah. Ew.
Nice slime.
And I'm washing my hands, washing my hands. Now I just made an orange back. More of a light orange. And
Nice and slimy.
two
Yeah.
drops of the
Two
two tablespoons of
Borax.
borax water.
Okay. What do you
And
got here?
this is red glitter slime.
With 2 tablespoons of borax.
Yeah, 2 tablespoons of borax water.
Really got firm though from all that kneading.
Yeah, and then this is 4 tablespoons of borax water.
Kind of turns it into like almost styrofoam.
Yeah, something. And this is normal glue. 2
tablespoons of borax.
of borax water.
That's probably going to be the most fun, is the
Yeah.
regular Elmer's
Yeah,
glue.
Yeah, because like when it settles, it kind of goes into a pancake.
Yep. And here's
And then you can roll over
regular
and act like
glue
it's in
with
a
blue
lot-
food coloring. Here's glitter glue with 4 tablespoons of borax, which is too
That's
firm and
supposed to be
styrofoamy.
purple.
And then here's green glitter glue with about like 3 tablespoons, a little bit firm. And then here's red regular glue again once with 2 tablespoons of borax, and that's nice and kind of slimy. But I think that the less borax is the better, because you get nice slime.